You are welcome back to our second class in matrices. In this second class, we shall be looking into multiplication of matrices, the scalar multiplication of matrices, and also we'll be looking into multiplication of matrix by another matrix. Just before we proceed on this lesson, if you are just joining us for today, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. And for our usual member, I say thank you for believing in me, and don't forget to like and share this lesson so that other members and other students can also benefit from it. So let's proceed. Scalar multiplication. What do we mean by that scalar multiplication? The meaning is that this is the act of multiplying a matrix by a number, by a given number. So let's demonstrate this. Let's look at this example 1. If a matrix A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, find 5A minus A and minus 2A. We want to find 5A, meaning 5 times A. Here's the meaning. 5 times A is equals to 5, and you open your matrix of A, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means we are going to use this 5 to multiply this matrix. So it will give 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20. So this is a matrix. This is scalar multiplication of 5A. Now, the second one, minus A. Minus our matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to have minus times plus 1, minus 1, minus times plus 2, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Similar thing will be done to minus 2A. Now we multiply this out. Minus 2 times 1, minus 2, minus 2 times 2, minus 4, minus 2 times 3, minus 6, minus 2 times 4, minus 8. So this is an example of scalar multiplication. So let's take another example. Example 2, on this scalar multiplication. If x is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, and y also is given, find 2x minus y. So you can see that this is a 2x, it's a scalar multiplication. Let's solve this 2x first. Any answer we get, we now set it to take away y from it, as we have done subtraction. Now let's look at this now. This is 2x. So 2 multiplied by a matrix S. 2 times 1, I have 2. 2 times 0, I have 0. 2 times 1, I have 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times minus 1, minus 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times minus 1, minus 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, 2. So this is 2x, scalar multiplication of 2x. Now, we now take away y from it. 2x minus y. So this is our 2x now. So this is our y. So let's take away, let's subtract. 2 minus minus 1. 2 minus minus 1. So 2 minus minus plus 1. So it makes 2 plus 1, that is 3. That is first rule, first column. First rule, first column. Now, so 0 minus 1, I have minus 1. Then move on to this one. First row, third column. First row, third column. 2 minus 2, 0. Move on to this one. 4 minus 0, 4. Minus 2 minus minus 1. Minus 2 minus minus 1 in brackets. Minus 2 minus minus plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, I have minus 1. So I've moved away from here, then to this one now. 0 minus minus 1. Minus minus is plus. So 0 plus 1, I have 1. Then I move on to the third rule. Minus 2 minus 2. That is minus 4. 0 minus minus 1. that is 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this is our final answer for this value, 2x minus y. Example 3. Given a matrix M and a matrix N, evaluate 2m minus 3n. So in this case, the first thing is to deal with the scalar multiplication of 2n and scalar multiplication of 3n, and we subtract the answers. In this case, we have to use this to multiply this matrix M. 2 times 1, I have 2. 2 times 3, I have 6. 2 times 2, I have 4. 2 times 4, I have 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times minus 1, minus 2. 2 times minus 3, minus 6. 2 times 2, 4. Then 2 times 0, 0. I've gotten the scalar multiplication of 2n. Let me now work this 3n. Now let's multiply. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times minus 2, minus 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times minus 1, minus 3. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times minus 3, minus 9. 3 times minus 1, minus 3. So the next step is to now find 2n minus 2n minus 3n. Now these are 2n minus 3n. So let's subtract. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 6 minus minus 6. So minus times minus equals plus, meaning 6 plus 6, 12. 4 minus 9, that is 13. Come on to the second row. 8 minus 12, that is minus 4. 4 minus minus 3. Minus times minus plus 3. So 10 plus 3, 13. Minus 2 minus 15. We are both going. That is minus 17. To the third row. Minus 6 minus 6. Minus 12. 4 minus minus 9. Minus times minus, then we have plus. Then 4 plus 9. I'm going to have 13. Then 0 minus minus 3. Minus times minus plus. 0 plus 3. I have 3. So this is our answer for 2n minus 3n. Example 4. If we are given a matrix P to be this and matrix Q to be this as well, find 2P plus Q. Now, as we have done in example 3, example 2, we still do the same thing here. All of us solve 2P by multiplying 2 by the matrix P. So when we multiply this, we have 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 1, 2. So these are our 2P. Then we can now say 2P plus Q. Now we sum up 2P and Q together. 10 plus 4, 14. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 5, that is 7 as well. So this is our final answer for multiplication. You can see how simple this is by scalar multiplication. So in our next class, we shall continue on multiplying a matrix with another matrix. So stay tuned to watch out for the next class. Thank you very much.